DC33 Multifloor has Dyson's patented root cyclone technology, so it captures more microscopic dust than other cyclones. With the press of a button, the hose stretches 15.7 feet for stair and high-reach cleaning. The cleaner head automatically adjusts to each floor surface, maintaining contact and suction. You can also switch between hard floors and carpet mode without bending down to adjust various dials. The bin empties hygienically with the push of a button. DC33 is easy to carry at only 17.6 pounds. There is also a washable lifetime HEPA filter. And the combination tool and stair tools store on board the machine, so they're always on hand. DC33